Hello, I'm Eric Ripert, chef owner of Le Bernardin in New York City and the host of the TV series AVEC ERIC on PBS. When I cook, I like to combine flavors, ingredients and texture to create harmony. And when I eat, I like for the wine to complement the food and for the food to elevate the wine. Welcome to Perfect Pairings. In wine pairing, there are a lot of so-called rules or myths that probably should be broken. One famous one, fish should be served with white wine. And when I was in Livorno, on the Mediterranean coast of Italy, I ate a delicious caciucco, a fish stew made with red wine, onions and garlic. And we drank white wine. However, I think red wine would have been perfect as well. This is basically the fish market in the plate.
Si, yes.
I am here today with Aldo Sohm, our chef sommelier at Le Bernardin. Aldo, I have prepared a halibut casserole with morels. So what do we say, red or white?
Well, normally we would go with white, obviously, but given that earthiness, given the kind of the intense flavor from a morel and that little sweet touch on it, the sweet flavor from a pinot, for instance, they can complement that extremely well.
So you're pouring here
a Pinot Noir from Flowers, from Sonoma Coast.
Sure. It's a powerful Pinot.
It's a Pinot which has power, but it's a little bit more riper in the fruit. So I mean, you get a little bit more sweet flavors, but it's a Pinot which is not as bold, not as oak-driven. It's really, really balanced and has an elegance on it.
And in this glass, what do we have?
We went to France, to Burgundy. Again, Pinot Noir, but in a very, very different way. It's way more earthier, way spicier.
I agree that red wine goes very well with the earthiness of the broth and the earthiness of the mushrooms as well. And it doesn't really mask the flavors of the fish. It actually also complements the fish in this instance.
Yeah. I mean, in that case here, the Flowers is perfect.
It's really killing the myth of white wine with fish. And I believe it comes from the preparation of the fish. Well, Aldo, I will say
cheers.
Cheers, santé. Santé.